In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use online tools to calculate impermanent loans, especially if you are providing liquidity on decentralized exchanges all around the world. Okay, so and I'm going to use real life example to do this so that you can learn quickly from it. And I'm going to teach you how to make passive income without having any loss whatsoever. Okay, so there are ways to these things. So you need to pay attention to this tutorial. If you watch this to the very end, then you're going to learn this, and make the best use of this information, to set yourself free financially. Okay, so now I'm going to go on MDEX because it is built on EcoChain and Binance Smart Chain. Okay, but it's not available now on Ethereum. So because of their cheap transaction fee, we're going to be using this platform now. Now, I have a couple of Ethereum and BTC on this platform. So I'm going to click on swap. When I click on swap, then I'll come here and type HBTC. I'll come here and select USDT. Okay, USDT. So as you can see, I have 0.0244 BTC here, and how much is that equivalent to in USDT? So it is equivalent to 1,089.95 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to copy this now. I'm going to copy this, okay, and paste it here. So I'm going to check. I think I have Ethereum here. That's 0.36 Ethereum. Then how much is that worth in USDT? Okay, how much is it worth in USDT? Okay, this is worth 1,084.79 in USDT. All right. So since this is lower than BTC, we are going to use this. We are going to be using this as our benchmark. So now we're going to come here. Okay, if confirm this, it means that I want to sell this. I want to sell this to Ethereum. So that's why we are here. So this tool is something that is going to benefit you a lot. Okay. So now let's assume that we are providing liquidity with something like ×2 of this number. Okay, ×2 of this number. Let me say 1084. Okay, 1084. So I'm going to come here, launch the calculator, and say 1084 times 2 because it is because this pair. Okay, there are two pairs, the Bitcoin and Ethereum pair. So multiply by 2. So we're going to be providing liquidity with over 2,000 USDT. All right. So if that is the case, you have to come here. And use this calculator. Okay. So let me go back and copy this. So when I copy this to this calculator, okay, so it will automatically generate the value in BTC and Ethereum to divide them into 2. Now, assuming that the value of BTC now increased from the current price, now increased to let me say 50%, and something bad happens to Ethereum, and its value begins to drop by -15%. Okay, and this happens in the next few weeks, and you want to calculate what your possible loss will be like. You just come here, click on calculate. Okay, click on calculate. So when you click on calculate, this is the possible loss that you're going to incur at the end of the day. So you'll be having over 1,200 Ethereum. Then you'll be having also over 1,224 BTC. Okay, so technically you have not suffered any loss because the value of your asset is now over 2,400 USD. Okay, but in a situation whereby as Ethereum is going down, then Bitcoin also going down by minus 35%. Okay, so this is going to be like a possible loss that you incur. So you'll be having a loss of about over 400, over 500 USD. Okay, and the pool value of your assets would be 1,611 USD. All right. So the combined loss that you've suffered is just minus 25.6697%. All right. So this is a tool that you can use to know if you're going to be what your loss is going to be like on a particular crypto asset. So this is not restricted to only BTC. You can also use this for other coins like AV, just any crypto whatsoever. You can always use this calculation for it. All right. So that is really how to calculate your impermanent loss using a tool. You don't have to start disturbing your brain. There are online tools that you can use for it. So I'm going to leave the link to this tool also in the video description. So like I promised you guys that how you can earn passive income for life using by providing liquidity in using cryptocurrency. So look at this now. Let's say you're providing liquidity with USDT. Okay, let's say it's USDT is not here. Let me say DAI. You're providing liquidity with DAI and something like USDT. Okay, so if that is the case, and on this pair there is no how you can suffer impermanent loss because they are pegged with dollars. Okay, so if you provide liquidity with $2,000 on this, okay, you're going to be earning passively. So when you come to this platform, because you are providing liquidity on stable coins, and you can earn passively up to like 8 to 10% of the amounts in a whole year. So look at this now. This is HUSDT, the stable coin, and USDT, which is also another stable coin. So when you provide liquidity on this pair, on this platform, then you're going to be earning over 9% profit on that at the end of the year. Okay, so that is really how you can always provide liquidity without suffering any kind of loss whatsoever and earn passively for it. Okay, so see you guys in another tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you how you can become wealthy, okay, by making use of the lending pool, okay, by lending out your coin to others to use. Okay, so see you in that tutorial. Okay, bye for now.